Hello everyone, how are you doing today? I know it's been some time, rather long time. I did not come live. And in today's live session, I want to share with you my experiences of Africa as well as Central Asia trip. So first of all, come connect with me. Let me know where are you tuning in from. Share your love. Let's talk. If you have any questions about my trips, let me know. I will answer all your questions. It's always pleasure to meet you live, interact with you, learn from you and share my experiences with you. Last 2 weeks I was in Africa and today I am in Central Asia. Two entirely different places. Africa is a country of black people. Every single person is black. Yes. And in 2 days, I moved to the place where everyone is white. Let me set my scarf. So, one thing is common in between all of them, that they are all human beings. I love both places. Let me just give you a reason why I love both places. Hi Sajidali, how are you doing? Thank you so much for coming live. I appreciate. In Africa, three things I like the most. This is one of the most safest places on planet. When I was going to Africa, and a lot of people asked me, why are you going there? Is that safe place? Did you check? Did you check with your tourist company or the place you're going to stay in? I said, no, I don't think any place is unsafe place. But when I reached there, you believe or not, hi Santosh, how are you doing? Nice meeting you. Thank you so much for watching. When I reached there, I found Africa is one of the most safest places on planet. People are receptive. They are so welcoming. Hi, Mr. Tanveer Bhatti, how are you? Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for coming. Let me know where you're tuning in from, which part of the world, what time is it, what are you doing, what do you do, do you have an experience with traveling or not, do you want to get some experience of traveling, do you want to travel in future, do you like traveling or you don't. Second thing in Africa was they speak beautiful language. They speak, I'm sorry if I'm going to be prejudiced, they speak better English than even English people. They're so poised. I happened to meet a couple of groups where I spoke, where I deliver my speeches as well. And I saw people are so poised. They are very well prepared in terms of their goals, where are they heading in their lives, the system in their country. Yes, they're developing countries, still developing because of political reasons. Hi Hakum Al Fajir. Nice meeting you, Mr. Santosh Akela from India. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate. And third thing is when I was walking on streets, people were greeting. They're so welcoming. They consider you like you are their personal guest in their country. So they greet you, they offer you something, they guide you very easily. If I happen to ask something, they guided me so well that I felt like privileged. It's like a great to be part, great to great to be in that part of the world. Hi Ivy, hi Ivy Cap, how are you doing? Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate. And after 2 days, I happened to visit this country, which is Dushanbe is a city, and it's Tajikistan. Last night, in fact, 3 a.m. I was coming by taxi. I coming to my place, and I saw every single road is lit beautifully designed. And I happened to ask the taxi driver, what's going on? Is there any celebration going on? Is there any event? He said, no, this is normal. And I was so happy that these countries are kind of leftovers. Hi, Junaid, Saeed, how are you doing? Thank you so much for coming live. I really appreciate. So these countries are normally less visited countries, and people don't really come to visit these countries because they feel they are not safe. But you need to believe that these countries are one of the most safest countries on this planet. They have nature, they have good people who are receptive, they welcome you, they will love you, they will care for you, they will show you everything around. You will love it. You will fall in love with them. I am actually. I'm in Tajikistan. Then I'll be heading to Russia later after a few days. But I'm just sharing my experience to make you feel comfortable, make you feel good that these places are safest places. Tajikistan. I've seen the mountains here. Hello, Mr. Hariharan. How are you doing? Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate for coming live. So I'm just sharing my experience from Africa to Central Asia. These are the two different places, different people, different colors, different food, different lifestyle, but fortunately, they're all human beings. They're so loving, so caring. I did not feel like I'm from a different part of the world. I'm from South Asia, living in Middle East. When they look at me, for them, I'm a different person, yes, indeed. But they welcome me, they consider me like their own guest, their own family member. That's what makes me feel good. That's why I want to share with you all. So there is no place on this planet which is unsafe. It's just few political reasons here and there. You will find our media sometimes exaggerate a small situation, then we feel like that country, that city is not safe. But you believe or not, every part of the world is safe. If you have something, please ask me in future if I can help you in terms of traveling, because I've been to many countries and I have some experience about people, about their culture, about their food, about their transport system. I can answer you, I can help you a lot. I'm actually helping so many people. They are contacting me privately. So how to get visa, how to go there. Because I'm on a mission that hope one day in my life, this entire world will become border free. So everyone, no matter what color you are wearing, what country you are coming from, which religion you are practicing, but you will be accepted as a human being, and you will be able to go wherever you feel like, of course with proper documentation, and that has to be considered. Of course, every country has their own rules and regulations, but people should be accepted as human being, not because what color of passport you are carrying, what color of skin you have, what color of dress you are wearing, what language you speak, and what looks you are carrying. You have a beard or not? Are you wearing hijab or not? Are you wearing less clothes or not? This is totally personal choice, I believe. So I wish one day I'm able to see this entire world as border free. This is my wish. Working on it. Hopefully sooner or later we'll be able to speak in front of United Nations. So entire world, leadership of entire world can listen to it and they can accept it, as they also want to move around freely. And if the way they consider their families to move around freely, I'm sure they would love others' families. The people of their nations can also travel freely, peacefully, safely, with equal rights. So yeah, this is from my side. Nice feeling, Raza. How are you doing? Thank you so much for coming live. I really appreciate. So this is from my side. I just wanted to interact with you. Just wanted to share with you my little experience. If you have something, just please ask me. I would love to be. I would love to answer your questions if you have any. send me private messages, personal messages. So yeah, is right now I'm in Dushanbe, Tajikistan, and soon in few days we'll be leaving to Russia for some work, and yeah, then we'll be back. How's your life going on? How's your work? How's your family? How's things going on? Do you really love traveling? I really encourage you all, whenever you get some time, this is the best investment you can uh, do for yourself, on yourself, for your kids. This is the greatest education you can ever have. You will learn, you will become more human, you will become more humble, you will become more receptive, you will become more passionate about nature, and you will seriously, you will start disconnecting from material life, because you will see the world is so big, people have achieved a lot, that we are running for something nothing. So in order to become good human being, a better human being, or a proper human being, I encourage you all to give a shot, try to travel. If you get some time in your, from your job, from your life, with your family, sometimes travel alone if you are able to manage, if you are able to afford it. But this will change your life. So this is from my side. Thank you so much for being part of my life. I'm feeling so pleased, humble, and grateful that you are part of my life. You are watching this video, because when you watch, it's a support for me. And if you like it, like it. If you don't like it, please comment, tell me. I will improve. I would love to improve. I love speaking, and I love to improve my speaking skills, my presentation skills, my all skills. Wherever you feel like I'm lacking, of course I'm lacking in some place, but just point out one, so I will improve in my next video. Thank you so much. Stay blessed. If you want to live healthy, beautiful, peaceful, and longer life, try to live for people. Thank you so much. Stay humble, stay healthy, stay safe.